Hi friends! Today you should have listened to the story, Where's My Teddy? Now we're going to answer some comprehension questions. Number 1, circle the main character from the story. So your choices are a chicken, Loopy's mom, and Loopy. Circle the main character from the story. Number 2, where did the story take place? Your choices are Loopy's bedroom, the zoo, or the pool. Number 3, in the beginning, why was Loopy so upset? Because he lost his basketball, because he lost his truck, or because he lost his teddy. Number 4, who found what Loopy was missing? Theo, Kate, or Mom? Number 5 is a bit of a challenge. Let me read it to you. What was the lesson of the story? So here you would write what the lesson was from the story. If you need help, you can ask a friend to help you write, or maybe you could flip it over and draw a picture. What was the lesson of the story? And remember, boys and girls, if you need to hear the question again, you can rewind this video.